How to install SubWallet. Open Firefox or LibreWolf or any other browser you are using. Open the extensions and search for SubWallet. Then you find it, click on it, make sure this is the real one from the SubWallet team, add to Firefox. Yes, continue installation, wait until it's loaded, then you can click add and it's done. You can also pin it to the toolbar so you can see it here, and then your next step is to create a new account. Make sure you read everything. You add the password, make sure you will remember your password. Read these very important safety notifications because your private keys need to be private. They only belong to you, never give it to anyone else. You can show the seed phrase and save them. You shouldn't be writing it to your desktop. You need to save it in a secure place, separate from your device. So you can put it in your safe, you can store it in your secure password manager, but do not store it in the same place where you have your wallet, because if your wallet is lost, it's possible that your seed phrase is also lost. So store it separately. That's it. Then it's done. From here you have the wallet, and then you can go on Gen6.app and very simply, if you don't have the GSX yet, no problem, you can use the mainnet and you can log in with SubWallet. Choose it, click the approval, the connect first. So first you connect your SubWallet, and once you connected, you can approve the signature request, which is actually the login. And then you see authorization successful. You have successfully logged in to Gen6 app. That's it. And when you are looking for your G6 address, you just click on copy address and bam, you already have your address here. This is the address you need to send in email if you would like to participate in the seed round or get the green badge or any other activities. And from here you can use the menu, you can use identity, you can use real seal and so on, but of course you need to get your GSX first, so please copy the address. You can also copy from this finance page and send it to us, and enjoy LFG6.